Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about XMR, Monero, targets, updates with my customer Sab. What's going on today? Let's dive in. Guys, congrats everybody who took a profit and who didn't skip the main bull and plan video about Monero. Since 27 block, this one. This token pumped at 228%, and just in one single day, because of rumors or maybe the facts, so the Korea here 57%, almost 58. They transferred that BTC, what they stole it before 330 million BTC transfer triggered Monero surge. So I highly recommend you check the latest updates. But guys, with that transfer or without that transfer, I guess it was just so logical to put the price to the equilibrium of this channel, what I wrote before, you know, because we got a touch. It's, by the way, the weekly since this token exists, May 14. Touch all-time high, touch COVID dump support, touch new all-time high, and we didn't touch the support of this channel. That's why I don't think so. I repeat again, I don't think so. The Monero will hit the new all-time high. If it will, you know, it can be the third touch of this channel. It can be just in theory, you know, and we can't know when. It can be the October 25, or it can be, I don't know, maybe here. January, September 2026. Yes, we trade now in channel, and we can trade like this one. Pump, for example, it can be, I don't know, December 2026, and going down to the bear market to the test zero level again. So guys, it's just hard to predict the timing. My zones of accumulation, I skip it the Monero. I mean, my zone of accumulation for for analysis was the 27 block of this FIB. You know, it was a top. It was a support, 27 block. We leave the EQ lows, Binance delisting, and we just come back to test global equilibrium and the test of 0.5 level by FIB, and we get reaction from this level because we grab liquidity, and we get reaction. So guys, also keep in mind that hackers, I don't know, but most likely they transfer BTC and swap BTC into Monero, not to hold Monero. They swap it to sell Monero and convert it into real money, into USDT, into USDC. So that's it, guys. It's pretty simple. I don't think so that guys convert the BTC and they choose Monero instead of BTC. There's no logic, basically, right? But most likely they convert it because Monero is a privacy token and you can't track the transactions. That's the point. That's why we got here on the 1 hour time frame, on 4 hour time frame. Take a look. We got a pump just in a few hours, right? Here, 57% pump and dump the same way, like 27% down. That's why no makes sense to hop into any token when we hit the equilibrium or hit the 0.5 level by FIB of correction. Time for accumulation was here. EQ lows. All targets, I showed it before, right? I skipped this token because I don't like, just to be honest, the privacy token. They always on the monitoring, on the some SEC investigation, right? So I'm not a fan of this one. And also, even from that 27 zone, this token pump at only 230%. For me, it's no make sense to invest in some risky asset, you know, and get like only 230% gains. But of course, if you like that hackers want to make money with the privacy tokens and don't want to be tracked, you know, of course you can use it. Mike, like target, conservative price target is 443, 469. I don't think so we're going to hit the new all-time high, but it's possible to hit this target. If you believe in new all-time high, it's going to be the 731. I don't believe in new all-time high for Monero, but everything possible. So most likely we can see something like this one and going down to bear market. Most positive case scenario, it's a new all-time high, 3 drives pattern, right? And new bear market like this one. So it's just so obvious, right? For me personally now. Right. Take a look, guys, with the monthly time frame here. Can we drop from this current prices from 0.5 level by FIB equilibrium once again drop to 120 and test the support line? Of course, it's possible. But I think we will go higher. Sometime traded over then equilibrium and come back and land at zone 27, zone 28 into support line again. Take a look, guys, with my customer said ADZ. I can't show it because it's a global chart. Here, direction on the monthly, no data. Here, it's just the beginning of the trail. Last time it was here before the crazy A3 madness, right? So maybe we'll see the this next month, May, or maybe we'll see the autumn, zone 25, this block, green block. Let's mark it like a red one. So it's time to, it's time to sell. Gonna be the time to sell and fix some profit. Take a look, guys, with the weekly time frame here. It was a time to out of the Monero. I highly recommend you, by the way, in education purpose here, 24%. In education purpose, double check the first main bull and plan for Monero, what I posted in zone 23, I guess, and double check the latest updates. So latest updates are posted here with the target 0.5, 61, and 78. So it's so logical. Here, this was a sell, drop 24%. This one now no signal to sell on direction indicator, but we at the top on market mode. So it's kind of risky to buy now. And ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy token at 270 with the target 100% profit? Now a lot of altcoins, a fresh new one. Even I'm not shield anyone, but take a look, the INA, the outlier, even the 1 inch, I don't know. A lot of stocks, even the StarkNet looks much better and more promising than the Monero. Trade on, it was a sell. Buy back all this period. Here is a sell. Drop 27%, and here was a Binance delisting. So I'm not buying on the Binance delisting because I don't like the stories with SEC and that investigation about around the privacy tokens. So for me, it's kind of really risky story. Money power, guys, take a look. Here was a money outflow. RSI barrier that were in a drop. Now nothing. Still not yet. Maybe by end of this week we'll go a little bit higher, like this one, and maybe we'll see some signals to money outflow. Now nothing. Daily also still not close to the daily candle. So it's too early to talk about are we going down from this current prices or we go higher, right? Like this one. We will see. But here was a so obvious signal, April 10, MACD bullish the currency, 198, and we pump it. But I repeat it again, it's kind of risky asset, guys. And take a look, that trade on I showed you. Take profit, guys. Here, monthly, we traded way over exit line on the monthly. Just imagine. So it's not a time to buy. On the weekly, same story. Here, time to buy was here. Test of buy line and test of 18 level by FIB. So it's pretty simple. Now we tested an over traded way over exit line. So it can't be the time to buy. No. Daily, same story. Take profit, seller pressure, equilibrium, 0.5 level by FIB, exit line. So there is no reasons to buy. There was a lot of even 4 reasons to sell or even open short, for example. Buy line on the daily now, it's 147. I don't think so. We'll drop that low. 12-hour time frame, the same story. Take a look on this week. Buy line, it's 145. Weekly buy line, it's 113. Is it possible to see something like this one? Yes. But guys, I repeat again, I don't think so. That guys who pump it today and convert the BTC into Monero, they convert to hold the Monero. No. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment all targets I showed you. Write us in a comment what do you think about the Monero. Are we go higher? Are we go to new all-time high or not? And if you would like to trade with my customer I will show it in this video. Just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.